it's a great question because it's one of these things you start to peel the onion back because that everyone at first like, oh, if you pay a bill, you send a check, everything's fine. But first off, you might be interested to know almost 60+% of every entry that hits the accounting world starts from paying a bill, paying an invoice. And
Hmm.
so the majority of what's hitting your ledger for an accountant, for a CFO, is coming from this process. If you're paying the stuff the tenant should pay, well, that's a massive impact on your bottom line. But there's lots of downstream implications around accounting, finance, treasury, recovery, asset management, and so it is a massive impact across an organization, and even something like late fees, right? Say a bill comes in for electric, $5,000 electric bill. Let me tell you, if you're a day late, the utility will charge a late fee. So if $5,500 bill comes in, it's 5,000 of electric, 500 late fee. The person who's overworked just puts it in as $5,500 electric. You pass it through. The CFO sees, oh, we had a little bit of variance in electricity,
Yeah.
as opposed to, oh my gosh, there's $40,000 a month of late fees we're paying. Like, we shouldn't be doing that. We need to add a body to fix that problem. But it's just invisible because they don't know, right? Well, do I want my in-house asset manager who's running this 300 apartment complex in the back room coding invoices? No, I want him out shaking hands, talking to residents, figuring out what's going on with
Yeah.
that, making those personal connections. And so this really enables that shift of work away from back office, rote things into, oh, actually I can do more value add stuff with that. So there's
With
a
humans, with actual humans.
actual
Yeah.
handshakes, right?
Yeah.
Actual human contact. Yeah. So that's
Yeah.
another aspect of the value is like, hey, you can get because the knowledge is now central, you could centralize it or pull off the plate. And then that actual human interaction becomes the priority, not just the stuff that has to get paid, that fixes that.